What is it, buddy? What do you see?
A giraffe.
A giraffe.
Yeah.
Destination is on your right. Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Although you didn't have to have tickets before then. Go run. Oh my goodness! They're walking around!
Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. Wow. So I've never been to Animal Kingdom, so this should be an adventure.
What else do you see, man?
It's my first time and his first time. Not hers though. She's a veteran of Animal Kingdom. She probably doesn't really remember.
I do, slightly. Manly!
Buddy. Cave.
Oh, another duck. He's walking around. He is so cute. Hi, duck. What does the duck say? Quack, 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 quack. So cute. Go around this way. Oh, a bridge.
Whoa.
That's the, oh man, look at that. Oh, that's cool. What is it? It's a swan with a black head.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, a cave. It's like, hello in there. Is anybody out there?
There's the tree. See that big tree, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to see a dinosaur? Is there a dinosaur over there?
Oh, we're entering Pandora.
Yeah, see, I remember there was this gate. My car does.
Whoa.
We're in an alien jungle, buddy.
So what if they keep it lit up all the time and then you just see it more when it gets dark? You have like all the lights
Yeah.
on?
Wow.
Start
Damn.
buzzing around them.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Come on, go faster. Quickly. Where's Papa? Go get him. Get the pups.
Come on, bud.
Oh my God.
Ooh. It's like we're in the Indiana Jones ride. I wish.
What else do you see?
Wow, look at the tree. Whoa. Dinosaur.
Look at those monkeys.
Baboons.
That's goofy.
Oh, look at the big gorilla.
Well, probably 6.
Count man.
Manuel's not my last.
God, couldn't do that.
Yeah, it was a little spooky, you're right.
Spooky bugger.
The spooky spider.
Oh baby, it's time.
That one. Wow. Look, man. Look. Wow. Look at this T-Rex.
Oh, there's more dinos over there.
Oh, boy.
Is that excited? Yeah.
Look, we swim a mammoth. And they're just like thinking, oh, it's this.
We're in the ride. Come here. Can't take my wallet out.
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you
Mrs.
enjoy
Cosby?
those quaint exhibits in the old ways.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
There's that ride. I am so excited.
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you. Remain seated until the road
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
I'm so excited.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Whoa, hi buddy.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oliveramus.
Yeah.
Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locked in autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on!
Yeah!
I'm tracking a big dino on the scope.
Oh, wait.
Put me out! Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Oh, baby!
Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow. And identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Whoa!
Impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
In 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning.
Evasive maneuver! Yeah! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now! That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort! There he is! Forget it! Get them out now! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
That was intense. Tea times, buddy?
Guys are all set.
Buddy! Here we go! Woo. Wow! Wow! Yeah, I'm pushing it up. Wow!
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
We are flying. Let's go. Oh,
Whoa! You having fun there, man?
Dinosaurs are landing, so please stay seated. When they come to a complete stop,
Did you have fun, buddy? Hey, did you have fun?
Walk to the exit gate.
I hope she wins. please remain seated at all times.
You should pull down
we gotta have,
pull back the shade so you can see the
These ones
dinosaurs.
right over here. We need 4 to 7 players to get the Triceratops in the through the mini, and then we need 2 to 3 for these ones down here.
Oh my goodness.
Are you guys going to be joining us here today? You want the tiny dino?
Love it, love it.
So right now we have the movie playing. So
Thing is huge.
you guys joining will be playing for the movie, which is the
Love it.
Alright, Mom.
So cool. Stop that. I see some monkeys. Wow, that's cool. There's another one.
Bob, there you go. Hi, baby.
They're not afraid of heights, you know?
Hey, look how he did this time. So crazy. One arm over the other. He's so muscular. Wow, that one has so much smoke in it. I thought.
Oh, that's not a bad man. Oh, cool.
Oh, look at that bamboo.
That's awesome.
Crazy. He loves bamboo. Let's take a little.
There's so much of the Jungle Cruise. It's Raja.
Do you see the tiger sleeping in the grass? Wow, look how soft that grass is they made it for him. So nice.
All right.
So way.
Ma'am, please do not tap on the glass.
It's like 10 inches thick.
It's a tiger. Ma'am. Ma'am, please don't.
Oh, yeah?
Man, it doesn't care. You're supposed to know how many puffs it.
Over there?
It's actually pretty cool. I feel like we're Indiana Jones.
Get out of this spot, I'll give them back to you.
Birdie's there. He's like, no.
Let's go right over the edge. Straight up. Come here, come to me. Come right here. Come to me.
Wow. Yeah, those are cool.
These are the model rockets. But right now, we're going to the surf music. It's been nothing really successful with the game power rackets. We don't have any surfing here, but we do have some whitewater rafting. It's called Surfing Safari.
Speaky. Gorilla or a Sasquatch.
You want another rock?
Oh yeah. This guy right here.
Yeah. Can you go through? Yep.
See it popped up? There it goes. Check it out, Ed. It's out above water. It's pretty cool, huh?
So right now I have two babies. There's one that's about 2 years old, so she's not quite a baby anymore.
Every once in a while.
Hey, man.
Ah, much needed.
For them, huh?
Going into the special lane where we just hook up the trailer to Lynn and
If I have to pull it, this is as fast as it goes.
made it.
You have the baby right here. That way we can
few safety reminders. I do need everybody fully in their seats facing forward with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle now. For the safety of our animals and the safety of ourselves, please do not yell, call out, or make any noises at these animals. As I promised, they will not respond.
You hear that, Lynn?
Looks like on just the other side of this, absolutely no standing up on this truck. Those Nile hippopotamus spend most of their day, about 16 hours of their day will be spent in the water, and they can go underneath the water for about 8 minutes at a time. On the middle island over here on the left, these are some of the pink-backed pelicans. They get their name from the shade of pink that their skin turns during mating, and they're also one of the largest Alexander pounds per square inch. And that bite.
Oh, look, he's got his mouth open.
These animals can weigh up to 500 pounds, and they can eat up to half their body weight in one sitting. Whether they're big or
hey
small,
man,
so it's very
you having
important
fun?
to serve each and everyone. Coming up here on the left side, you'll see this massive tree. This is a baobab.
No, you can't hold it.
Also known as the upside down tree, given all those branches up top look like their roots. They can remain leafless up to 9 months out of the year, and they do that to conserve their moisture during the dry season. And those massive trunks is where they house all of that moisture. To that area, but you're going to be able to see them here first on the right.
Giraffe? What is it, buddy? What do you see?
A giraffe.
A giraffe.
Yeah.
Is it cutie?
All of our
A cutie giraffe?
It's been freshly mown.
It's
All of our
cute.
trees look like they've been trimmed up to a pretty specific
Is it cute?
mark. And that's the work of all of the animals that inhabit the savannah. So all of the hoof stock, just like some of the Ankole cattle we can see over here. Those African wild dogs are also known as the painted dogs, as they look like they have paint splotches all over their bodies. That's one of the most significant. Those giraffes can stand 18 to 20 feet tall. They use their long prehensile tongues to reach those leaves up on top of those trees. Their tongues can reach up to about 18 inches long. There are 9 different species of giraffe, the ones that we see here on our reserve. These are the Maasai giraffe. You can tell them apart from the other types of giraffe given the jagged edge. The dark purple color helps them keep protected from the sunlight as they eat for about 20 hours out of their day. Need that extra little bit of protection on their tongues and basically here. Literally looks like they came from that little elephant.
Yes.
That's still that same male elephant that we saw a little bit earlier. We're going to try to follow him all the way through here. You might see that he's flapping his ears every once in a while. Those animals are able to cool themselves down up to about 15 degrees with a few flaps of those ears. They have major blood vessels in and around them to help them cool down. Area over here. Coming up here on the left-hand side, we also got some of the greater flamingo. These are the largest species of flamingo. Even though they are the largest, they only get up to about 9 pounds. They get their coloration from all the beta carotene in their diet from the brine shrimp that they eat, but it does take about a year for that coloration. We got a great view of the female lioness right at the edge of the copy here on the left-hand side. The lionesses are the ones who typically do most of the hunting. They do sleep for most of their day. About 20 hours of their day will be spent sleeping. It is pretty cool. Inside, the white rhinoceros are a little bit bigger than the black rhinos. These animals can weigh up to about 5,000 pounds. We also got over here on the right-hand side some of the ostrich eggs. Those ostrich eggs are the largest type of egg. They can weigh up to 3. The full-grown adults, the smaller ones are about 3 months old. We also have that large yellow box that they're hanging around over there on the left.
A goat. It's the goats in Jurassic Park.
I'll talk about that yellow box here in just and it does look like we are making our way back towards the village, which means our safari will be coming to a close here in a few moments.
All right. Well, that is a wrap on Animal Kingdom for us. We did not do anything in Pandora just because the wait times were ridiculous, and our Genie Plus, we really wanted to do the safari, so our Genie Plus kind of set us way out. We're tired and we want to get in a pool and eat some good food, and so that's what we're gonna do. So this is Peace on Animal Kingdom. It was fun, and the man really liked it, but now it's time to exit. Birdie buddy, it's a bird.